Men's deep brown braided genuine leather cuff bracelet with elegant 316L stainless steel clasp. A timeless look braided leather bracelet will always. Ultra stylish fastener unique stainless steel clasp secures tightly and adds style to the. Only real leather. Our jewelry is made from genuine leather, not cheap plastic fake leather materials. Ideal size for most guys measures 8.46 inches, 21.5 centimeters, in length by 0.47 inch, 1.1 centimeter, in width by 0.24 inch, 0.6 centimeters, in thickness. A present. He'll love wrap the bracelet up in the included branded gift box and watch his eyes light up when he opens it.